The relationship with your non-showbiz
I don't want to talk about
steady
it.
date.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have to talk about
Okay.
it. How long lang did it last? Yun lang ang tatanungin ko. That's it. I won't ask for details why it ended, but nakailang buwan yung relationship.
It was good. Everything was good, really. Okay lang lahat. Ako lang talagang may, I have to admit, ako rin na may diferensya talaga because to begin with, like, minsan di ko talaga alam kung anong gusto ko, you know, but then, plus work, you know, masyado kong iniisip talaga ang trabaho, you know, I just really wanna work.
Okay, so let's read between the lines, folks. Si Aga ang hindi pa ready for a commitment with that relationship in mind, and siguro it must not have come at the right time.
And I don't think there's anything wrong with that, you know. If I'm not ready, then I'm not ready. I'll be very honest to admit it, you know. Probably I'm
You're
not
still
ready.
having fun.
It's not having fun, Chris.
Ano? Ibang priorities.
Priorities lang talaga. Now, kung kaya nilang tanggapin yun sa akin, kung tatanggapin nila ako ng gano'n, na ang priority ko ay trabaho ko, then,
Why not?
Why not, di ba?
Isa rin ho sa mga priority ngayon ni Aga kasi is that he has renewed, hindi lang renewed, parang mas malapit talaga ang relationship nilang dalawa ni E.G. Boy ngayon. Let's talk about that when we come back. Pero bago yan, may gift na naman kami. Mahilig ko sa
Ayun
red
naman,
wine.
right.
Red wine is very good for the blood circulation. So para naman yung circulation ng dugo towards your heart. Aga, 3 weeks ago, yung Artist of the Week ko, si Janice at si John.
Okay.
And I had asked them kung...
My son told me about it nga.
what it
Yeah.
was like na ngayon, parang nagbibinata na talaga si E.G. Boy. Tapos
Yes.
sinabi ni John na ang tinatry daw nilang i-control talaga kay E.G. yung pagkain.
Eating, yeah.
Kasi sinabi niya na ayaw daw niya dumating yung point na magko-complain si E.G. na hindi siya sinagot ng girl dahil fat siya.
Yes.
So, when he's with you, are you also conscious about his diet?
Oh yes, he watches his diet when we're every time we're together.
Oo.
He knows that. He knows that because I tell
Kasi
him
nasa lahi ng both sides
Yes.
di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi sa side nila Janice may tendency maging big. Sa side mo,
Yeah, the same.
oo rin talaga.
Oo.
So, what do you do? Are you encouraging him to get into sports?
Oh yes.
Ikaw nagbabasketball,
He
nagbabasketball
plays
din ba
basketball a
siya?
lot, yes. He plays
Ano pa?
basketball a lot. Basketball, yun ang ginagawa niya now. He's into football now. Soccer.
Ngayon, masasabi mo talagang gumanda ang relationship.
Oh yes, with my son.
Oo.
Yes.
Why?
I'm very, you know, parang ngayon ko lang na nararamdaman talaga, you know. You see him every time, let's say we're together, you know, you see him laugh. And like, so this is the way he laughs, you know. Para bang, and when he starts talking, so you just look at it, you just stare at him, na para bang, he's my son, you know? Like, look at him talk. Parang, pareho ko ba magsalita?
Oo.
Pag tumawa, pareho ba kami tumawa? Alam mo yung ganun feeling? Parang binabantayan mo lahat, parang wow, ang galing. Nice. Kasi it's like, you know, ang nangyari sa amin parang father and son thing na parang dati parang hindi mo kasama, hindi mo kilala. Yung parang napaka-delicate na para pagkasama mo, parang ang daming...
Hindi mo alam kung paano ka
Hindi mo alam kung
kikilos.
paano mo oo, no? Hindi mo alam paano mo kakausapin. Hindi mo alam kung ito yung totoo ba yung ginagawa niya o ano ba yan, di ba? And then ngayon nakikita mo yan. Ang galing, you know? Sarap.
Aga, in your case now, kasi di ba, he is turning
12.
12, di ba? So, anong mga advice ang binibigay mo sa kanya tungkol sa babae?
Everything.
Like,
Everything about,
food advice kaya?
Oh, yeah.
Ano?
Of course. Siyempre lang, you know. But, you know, ang anak ko kasi masyadong, well, you know, fortunately, and, you know, I have to thank Janice and John for that, you know. Na yung anak ko unang-una mahilig sa eskwela. And then we always talk about, like, when we're together, like, yung college na, like, what he wants to be when he, you know, grows up, or pag naabot yung age ko, you know, the
Ano bang
cars,
sabi niya gusto niya?
the cars, you know, well, alam mo yung the usual na yung mga bata, of course, lawyer, I want to be a doctor, I want to be like that, you know.
Ako, one of my greatest fears kasi, because I also have a son, is pag yung time na to explain about sex. Kasi yun, nandun na siya sa point na yun talaga na I'm sure ang daming tinatanong. How do you address it?
Marami nga siya tinatanong siya, but not about, hindi naman ganun kadirekta. Because like, in school, like, he gets turned off pagka yung mga babae nagiging kikay.
Oh, so may
Ayaw
crushes
niya yun.
na ba siya?
Oh, yeah. Kaya lang na-off siya pag crush niyang ganun. Kaya lang minsan naiinis siya dahil parang nahihirapan siya. Una-una, laki daw nung tiyan niya. Nahihirapan siya mag-forma raw na ganun. So sabi ko, then you do something about it, di ba? I'm not telling you to go on a diet because you're used to it. But, you know, just eat the right food lang. Yung sinasabi sa kanila, masasama. You stay away from yung soft drinks, asukal. Yung mga masyadong
Aga naging tatay ka at 17.
Yes.
Paano kung 17 si EG at maging tatay din siya? That means you would only be 34, 35. Matatanggap mo bang lolo ka at that age?
Yeah. Pero hindi naman siguro mangyayari yun sa akin.
Ano ba,
pero kung mangyayari yan, I mean, you know, syempre, ayaw ko mangyayari yun sa kanya. But then, if that happens, you know, then it happens. But then, I think with the guidance he's getting now,
So, aminado ka talaga na napakalaki ng contribution ni John at ni Janice sa kung anong kinalabasan talaga ni EG.
Oh, yes.
Hats off ka sa
Oh, yes.
kanila.
Wala akong masabi ron. That's why, alam mo, kung ano man that's why every time na ipapaalam ko si Luigi at pagka hindi pinayagan ng mama niya sa ganitong lugar, sa ganyan, you know, I just have to respect that.
Children are the most honest.
Yeah.
Oh, meron ba siyang papa, yun na lang?
Minsan mabibigla ka. May mga ganun siya?
Oo. Sino huli niyang sinabing papa sana siya na? I wanna hear it. Pagbigyan mo ako. Para hindi nakita kulitin doon sa yellow na chair.
Bibigay ko na lang sa iyo na chair.
Ano naman ako nabibili ako? Sure, ako na sagutin. You said that, ha?
Sa birthday mo.
Iload na sa sasakyan ko.
Hindi, sa birthday mo darating, no.
Ay, hindi. Sagutin mo na lang. I can live without the chair. But, sige. Sino sinabi niya? Nagpapatype ko siya para sa'yo.
Ay, nako.
I'm waiting. They're waiting. Sino aga? Sige no. Initials lang. Sige no. Ikaw talaga. Aga, we've known each other since I was 12. So that means 16 years na tayong magkakilala. So sino? Initials.
Initials, Mario. Di ganun na rin yun, ano?
O ano?
Ikaw talaga.
Sino?
Ano, kahit sino?
No, you said meron.
Sabi niya sa akin, kahit sino.
No. Sino?
My nose is growing.
Sino? CG ba?
Na?
CG? DT? One of the two?
Ano isa?
DT or CG?
CG.
CG, no? Name chair na ang gusto ko. Ano aga? Ano? One of the two ba? Tumugma ako.
Ang hirap niyan. Alam mo, magtanong ka ng iba pa kaya ko sagutin ngayon. Ngayon, sasagutin ko na kahit ano.
Yun ang gusto ko. I swear. Yun lang talaga. Kasi kung kanino siya medyo boto, it will give us an inclination talaga kung sinong pinakamalapit sa puso mo.
Hindi, ito na lang, isang ano na lang. Like when news broke out na Melissa and I are not, nasa dyaryo, no? Lumabas na ganun-ganun. He called me up.
And what did he say?
Pa, is it true? Sabi niya, what? Na ganyan. Saan mo nakuha yung balita niyan? In school, because my classmate is a cousin of ganyan. Like,
so sinabi mo, oo, totoo.
Sabi niya, ang bilis naman.
Oo, ang bilis naman. Oo. Hindi mo sinagot.
No.
Ang question ko. Hindi mag-e-end ito.
Hindi, ba't ang sinabi niya sa akin
talaga? Gusto mo umuwi na kami.
Hindi, ang sinabi niya talaga sa akin, hindi, si Luigi naman, kahit naman sinong, okay sa kanya.
Sinabi mo meron.
But he just wants his papa to be happy talaga.
So who does he think will make his papa happy?
Him.
No?
He knows that. Yeah.
Ata initials lang.
Hayaan mo na.
Sa kakulitan, walang tatalo sa akin. You should know that. So sino?
Next time na lang.
Ha? Hindi.
Next time na lang.
The chair. Ano?
Kinamit on your birthday.
Sige na. hihintayin ko
Oh,
yun.
sa birthday mo.
Okay. Kung hindi, you have to reveal, ah.
Yeah, I will. Oo.
Swear, ah.
Swear.
Ako, kung wala yung chair, i-reveal mo kung kanino boto, si Peach. Okay. Okay na rin sa akin, hindi mo i-reveal. I love the chair. We have a picture for you na kayong dalawa.
Wow! Tignan mo?
That's a cutie picture.
Nakita mo yan?
Oo.
Ganyan siya, every time he comes to the house,
Oo.
ang gagawin niya, diretso yan sa kwarto ko kagad.
Tapos?
Bubukas ng cabinet ko,
Oo.
tapos lahat ng damit ko sinusuot niya lang. Sukat lang siya ng sukat ng sukat ng sukat.
Happy na siya sa ganun.
Yeah. So I was wearing my clothes and then my shoes.
This is really cute. It's a cute picture talaga. Alam mo, babalik pa kami.
He's a very nice boy.
Maybe you'll change your mind and you'll tell me. Don't go away, we'll be back! Aga, did you change your mind? Short answer! Meron ka bang hinahanap-hanap pa? May kulang pa ba? I mean, if God, because He's just so generous, said, sige Aga, ano pa? What else can I give you? Would there be anything that you'd want? Or do you have everything you want and need at this point?
Do you know what I always pray for?
Ano?
Hindi para sa akin, kundi sa tao na tigilan na yung paninira talaga. It really bothers me a lot, you know. Kumbaga, why can't just people be happy for others, you know? Like, kung anong nangyayaring achievement ng isang tao, nangyayari sa kanya, just be happy for that, ano? Hindi, bakit minsan kailangan masaya-masaya silang naninira o gumagawa ng mga storya talaga na hindi nila iniisip na tao lang tayo, yung sakit na nabibigay nila sa tao, no? And, yun lang ang parati, kasi napaka-simple ng buhay ko.
Well, siguro Aga kasi, di ba, fame is a two-edged sword talaga. Yung parang, you get all these blessings, may kapalit ng konti. Eh, konti lang naman yun eh.
Yeah, it's just sad.
Yeah.
Kaya minsan ang buhay ng tao ang hirap umasenso, ang bansa ang hirap umasenso dahil ang tao lang ginawa kundi magreklamo at manira, 'di ba?
So does it mean
It's
you
really
want...
sad.
Hindi, kasi di ba, marami nagsasabi, if you want the country to change, do something about it.
Yeah.
So, does that mean may plano ka to go into public service?
Hindi naman ganoon, hindi ganoon. You know, sa akin